At the Saskatoon Industry-Education Council, we know that career exploration often follows a winding path. People learn that discovering what they don't want to do in the future is just as important as discovering what they do want to do. That's why the SIEC delivers career programming that connects students' passions and natural talents with current and future workforce needs. Through our partnership with business, K-12 education, and post-secondary schools, students can access free programming focused on career exploration and hands-on skill development. Students who are curious about career opportunities can try out a variety of pathways while refining their skills along the way. And parents, guardians, and teachers who connect students to SIEC events and resources benefit by guiding students toward a fulfilling future career. After all, students with confidence in their future are more engaged in the present. Start your career exploration journey at saskatooniec.ca. The Saskatoon Industry-Education Council, nurturing the workforce of tomorrow by preparing youth for quality careers.